Ako yay kasadog dohong ako yadi kadandang ama oy do ina ko oy di na oy damagat ko.
Good morning. Imagine waking up one day to find the lullabies your grandmother sang to you have faded into a faint echo. The heroic tales of your ancestors, once shared around the evening fire, are now just fragmented memories. The unique words of our native language that ties the community spirit are slipping through your fingers like grains of sand from a beach. For the Kadazan community in the heart of Sabah, Malaysia, this is not a distant nightmare. It is our present reality. Our mother tongue, the beautiful and poetic Kadazan language, is officially classified by UNESCO as threatened. According to the expanded graded intergenerational disruption scale, the Kadazan language sits at a precarious level 6B, where it is only spoken by adults over 30, and children are no longer learning it as their first language. The language of commerce is pushing the language of our heritage into the quiet corners of our lives. Young families are increasingly shifting to dominant languages. Without a collective and intentional intervention, we risk witnessing this priceless heritage fade into silence. We believe that where there is a threat, there is also an opportunity. An opportunity to innovate, to reconnect, and to fight back with the very tools that contribute to the challenge. We have poured our hearts into developing KadazanlinGO, an innovative mobile application designed to bring the Kadazan language back into the heart of the modern homes.
Introducing KadazanlinGO. Kadazan.
Add the fish.
Langgal, siling,
Kurusi.
babazan.
The vision is simple yet profound to create a user-friendly, deeply engaging, and interactive platform that transforms the daunting task of language revival into an exciting shared daily adventure. We are honored to partner closely with active Kadazan members of Sabah Ethnic Language Association, whose linguistic expertise ensures authenticity of every word, every phrase, and every lesson that resonates with the true spirit of the Kadazan culture.
So what does this adventurous innovation look like? Let me walk you through the KadazanlinGO experience. We've built our app around 3 core gamified components: Learn and Practice, Memory Match, and Quiz Master. Our content is meticulously built upon a standard curriculum, co-designed with community educators and divided into 4 major themes. First, we have Kokomoy Dogo Sondi, or All About Me. Here, children learn the fundamentals from saying Tabi Piin Tutunan, which means pleased to meet you, to naming body parts like Mato, eyes, and Todung, nose, and introducing their family or Paganakangku like Ina, mother, and Ama, for father. Explore the world around us in Susumuni or Tinanom, which are plants. This theme explores the rich local flora in the natural world of Borneo, from the vegetables in our markets like hombiding to the local fruits, or tuva uva sandad like our favorite pineapple, tintingabay. The third theme is Tazam, the animal kingdom, where learners are introduced to both the domestic pets, Tazam Gompizon, they love, like Tasu, the dog, and the wild animals of our jungles, Tazam Tosizao or Suang Tahun. And finally, we celebrate our unique identity in Kubasanan, the cultures of the Kadazan. Here, users can learn the vocabulary for our traditional foods like Hinava, musical instruments like the Tagung, and Kadazan traditional sports like Migaza Dukug, tug of war. Within the app, these themes come to life. In Learn and Practice, users see an image, read the word, and hear it pronounced perfectly by a native speaker. Then they can test their recall in a fun way with Memory Match, flipping cards to pair a picture with its Kadazan name, and many others. For a greater challenge, Quizmaster pulls questions from all topics, creating a dynamic and competitive experience with leaderboards to encourage friendly rivalries.
The engaging experience you've just seen is built on a powerful educational and social foundation. Our approach is deeply aligned with the principles of multilingual method of teaching and learning. We use English and Kadazan to introduce and explain meanings of words. By structuring our app around the official curriculum, we provide a vital resource for educators and schools while also directly supporting two key Sustainable Development Goals, SDG 4 for inclusive quality education and SDG 11 for making our communities more sustainable by safeguarding their cultural heritage. The significance of KadazanlinGO extends far beyond the state level. Locally, we are reviving the language and digitally documenting an authentic dialect for future generations. Nationally, we are creating a scalable, adaptable blueprint that can be used for Malaysia's other indigenous languages, from the Iban of Sarawak to the Semai of Peninsular Malaysia. Globally, our project is a direct, tangible answer to the call of UNESCO's International Decade of Indigenous Languages, 2022 to 2032. And our vision for the future is even bigger. We are planning the next phase of development, which will include an animated story section, a community dictionary builder, and more interactive features. Today, we invite you to become part of this critical mission to safeguard our indigenous languages, beginning with the Kadazan language. Your support, whether through funding, strategic partnerships, or simply sharing our work, is an investment. It's an investment in technology, an investment in culture, and most importantly, an investment in the future of our children. Let's work together to transform a threatened language into a thriving language in Malaysia's rich cultural tapestry. Kadazan.
At the heart of KadazanlinGO lies a thoughtfully engineered technology stack designed to deliver a seamless, scalable, and culturally immersive learning experience. We didn't just build an app, we architected a digital ecosystem that supports gamified pedagogy, real-time engagement, and long-term growth. Our front-end is crafted using Flutter, enabling cross-platform deployment across Android and iOS with a single codebase. This ensures consistent UI, UX, faster iteration cycles, and accessibility for learners regardless of device. On the backend, we leverage Firebase, a powerful suite of tools that handles user authentication, cloud storage, and real-time database management. Firebase allows us to personalize learning journeys, track progress dynamically, and push updates instantly without disrupting the user experience. For content delivery and gamification logic, we've integrated Firestore and cloud functions, enabling modular lesson structures, adaptive quizzes, and badge-based achievements. This empowers educators to refine content while keeping learners motivated through interactive feedback loops. Our design philosophy is rooted in Kadazan cultural authenticity, supported by custom-built assets and localized language modules. We use Figma for UI prototyping and collaborative design, ensuring every visual element, from icons to typography, resonates with the heritage we aim to preserve. To ensure performance and scalability, we've implemented lazy loading, offline caching, and responsive layouts, making KadazanlinGO not just a learning app, but a resilient digital companion for every learner. This technology stack isn't just functional, it's strategic. It allows us to expand into voice recognition, AR-based storytelling, and community-driven content in future phases. KadazanlinGO is built to evolve, just like the language it celebrates.